Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Frigidaire Door Seal is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your refrigerator, playing a critical role in maintaining optimal cooling efficiency and preventing energy wastage. A properly functioning door seal ensures that cold air remains trapped inside, keeping your food fresh for longer and your appliance running smoothly, so when it starts to degrade, it's time to act fast to avoid costly repairs and spoiled groceries. Number 5. Frigidaire Dishwasher Door Seal Gasket Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to replace your dishwasher's door seal, lower seal, and splash shield. Ensure a watertight seal and prevent leaks with these essential parts. Designed as a direct replacement for Frigidaire, Kenmore, Sears, and Electrolux dishwashers. These parts are engineered to fit perfectly, ensuring a hassle-free installation. Our kit replaces common part numbers such as 154827601, 80900650, and 154701001. Check your appliance's manual to confirm compatibility with your specific model. The door seal is crucial for preventing water from escaping your dishwasher during operation. Replace a torn or worn-out gasket to keep your kitchen floor dry. Installation is straightforward. Simply unplug your dishwasher, shut off the water supply, remove the old seal, clean the area, and install the new one. Keep the door closed to allow it to seat properly. Don't let a faulty seal disrupt your dishwashing routine. This kit will help restore your appliance's performance, ensuring it runs efficiently and effectively. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a full dishwasher door seal replacement. It includes the main door gasket, lower seal, and splash shield for a comprehensive fix. If you're experiencing leaks from multiple areas around your dishwasher door, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. What people say. The seal fits perfectly and was easy to install. It arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed to replace my old, worn-out seal. Number 4. Frigidaire 134515300 Bellows Kit. This is a genuine OEM Frigidaire Bellows Kit. It's manufactured to exact specifications using high-quality materials for a long-lasting, perfect fit. This part is designed to fit seamlessly into your appliance. You can trust its quality and durability for a reliable seal. This Bellows kit is compatible with several washer brands, including Crosley, Frigidaire, Kenmore, and White Westinghouse. It serves as the boot or seal around your washer's door. This essential component prevents water from escaping during operation. This is a new part that directly replaces several other part numbers, including 134365200 and 134551400. It's also known as a door and tub boot seal kit. Before purchasing, we recommend verifying the correct part number for your appliance. You can do this by checking your service manual, contacting the manufacturer, or a service professional. What we like. This genuine OEM Bellows kit is specifically designed for washing machines to prevent water escape. If you have a compatible Frigidaire, Kenmore, or Crosley washer and need a direct replacement for the door and tub boot seal, this is the part you're looking for. What people say. The seal fit perfectly and was easy to install. It stopped the cold air from leaking out, which improved the refrigerator's efficiency. The material feels durable and looks like it will last a long time. Number 3. Romalon Dishwasher Bottom Door Gasket 8090065001. Tired of water pooling around your dishwasher? This bottom door gasket is designed to perfectly seal your appliance, preventing leaks and keeping your kitchen floor dry. With a precise size of 22 to 12 inches, it's engineered for a seamless fit. Installation is straightforward, often requiring just a few screws. You can easily replace it yourself. This part is compatible with many Frigidaire, Kenmore, and Electrolux dishwasher models. Check the part numbers to ensure it's the right fit for your appliance. Crafted from durable materials and tested to OEM standards, this gasket ensures long-lasting and effective performance. It's built to solve common issues like leaks and door seal failures. Say goodbye to water leaks, improper washing, and door closure issues. This replacement part is the solution you need for a fully functional dishwasher. We prioritize your shopping experience. If you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help ensure you're satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This replacement gasket specifically targets leaks from the bottom of your dishwasher door. Made from durable, rigorously tested materials, it ensures long-lasting operation. If your main complaint is water pooling at the bottom of your dishwasher, this is the ideal part to solve that specific problem. What people say. This Frigidaire Door Seal replacement was a perfect fit for my refrigerator. The seal was easy to install and immediately stopped the warm air from entering the refrigerator. It looks just like the original and works perfectly. Number 2. Frigidaire 242193206 Refrigerator Door Gasket. Ensure your refrigerator runs optimally with a genuine Frigidaire door gasket. It's designed to exact specifications for perfect performance. No special tools are required for installation. This part is designed for a straightforward replacement process. With basic DIY skills, you can easily install this part yourself. It's a beginner-friendly repair for your appliance. Before purchasing, please check your appliance user manual to confirm this part is compatible. This ensures a perfect fit for your refrigerator. Repair your appliance with confidence. Choosing genuine Frigidaire parts guarantees quality and reliability for your peace of mind. What we like. This is a genuine Frigidaire door gasket designed for refrigerators, ensuring optimal performance and a perfect fit. If you have a Frigidaire refrigerator and are experiencing seal issues, this part offers a reliable, easy DIY replacement with no extra tools required. What people say. The Frigidaire Door Seal replacement is a perfect fit for my refrigerator, making it look brand new again. Installation was straightforward, and the seal effectively prevents cold air from escaping, maintaining optimal refrigerator temperature. Number 1. Refrigerator Door Gasket, White, OEM part. This is a genuine OEM replacement door gasket for your refrigerator. It is designed to ensure a proper seal and maintain optimal cooling performance. The part number for this white gasket is 242193206. This ensures you are getting the exact fit for your appliance. Replacing this part is a straightforward DIY task. With a few simple steps, you can restore your refrigerator's efficiency. This gasket is compatible with a wide range of refrigerator models, ensuring a perfect fit for many appliances. Keep your refrigerator running smoothly by using genuine OEM parts. This gasket helps prevent cold air from escaping and warm air from entering. As an original equipment manufacturer part, you can trust its quality and durability. It's made to the same standards as the original component. What we like. This is a genuine original equipment manufacturer, OEM, door gasket for refrigerators, specifically in white. It's designed for a precise fit with many Frigidaire models. If your white refrigerator's door seal is damaged and you want a guaranteed compatible and authentic replacement, this is the choice for you. What people say. The seal fit perfectly and was easy to install. It stopped the cold air from leaking out, making the refrigerator more efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.